Hi mga mamis! Hirap ba kayong pakainin ng gulay ang mga anak ninyo? Worry no more! Dahil magluluto tayo ng trending na Ohoy Kalabasa. This is my version and almost similar to others. We need kalabasa or squash, carrots, and onions. Wash, peel, and cut the vegetables into matchsticks or julienne style. Just slice the onions and then set aside. In a separate bowl, combine carrots, kalabasa, and onions. Add with flour, salt, and pepper and mix thoroughly. For the wet batter, just combine flour, cornstarch, nag-add ako ng glutinous rice flour, magic sarap, paprika, and turmeric for coloring, salt, and pepper. Gradually add the water and we are looking for this consistency. Not too sticky nor too watery. Before frying, assemble sa plate yung mga gulay and lagyan ng wet butter. Deep fry until golden brown or until maging crispy yung inside and sides and drain the excess oil. Repeat the procedure hanggang sa maubos lahat ng vegetables and the batter. The smell is amazing. Piniprito pala nakakagutom na. Gusto na rin umapak ng mga anak ko. Serve this with suka. Perfect part nito ang mga flavored suka gaya ng ginamit ko na sukang sinama. Ang sarap niya and oh so crunchy.